Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Walsh bringing you a short drawing lesson on how to draw a star. You will see on my paper step-by-step instructions for how to draw a star. The first line segment starts at the bottom, climbs up a mountain from bottom to top. The second step goes from the top of the mountain down the other side of the mountain from top to bottom. The third segment gets added from the bottom of the mountain across about halfway up the first side of the mountain and stops from bottom to top. Then the fourth step goes flat across the mountain and cuts off the top into an upside down V and has this flat line segment from left to right. And finally, to finish and close the star, you create the final line segment from the straight line's end back down to the bottom where you began. It should look like this when you practice drawing. Up the mountain, down the other side of the mountain, across, coming about halfway up the first side of the mountain, flat back across both sides of the mountain, and then close the star by going back to where you began. One more time. Starts at the bottom, up the first side of the mountain, down the second side of the mountain, across, cutting the first side of the mountain in half, flat back, and close the star by finishing where you began. Practice over and over until you get comfortable. When you get a good star, trace it again and again and again to get the rhythm of how to draw a star memorized. Every time you do a new star and it's better than the last one, trace it 2 or 3 times to get used to it until it just becomes a rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice star making so when we see you back on Thursday, you find out what we're going to do with them. Have a great day.